I am going to tell you how to write short note on permanent court of arbitration PCA. One thing is very important, that is permanent court of arbitration PCA is a unique intergovernmental organization founded in 1899 to facilitate the resolution of international disputes. Unlike a traditional court with a fixed body of judges, the PCA provides administrative support for a variety of disputes resolution mechanisms, including arbitration, conciliation, and fact finding. Located in the Peace Palace in The Hague, Netherlands, the PCA is a flexible and adaptable institution designed to meet the evolving needs of the international community. Main objective of the Permanent Court of Arbitration PCA is the main objective of the PCA is to serve as a readily available and efficient forum for the peaceful settlement international disputes. Achieves this objective in several key ways: facilitating arbitration and other disputes resolution mechanism. The PCA's primary function is not to act as a tribunal itself, but to provide a secure and a neutral framework for arbitration. It offers a wide range of procedural rules and services, allowing parties, which can include states, entities, international organizations, and private parties, to resolve their disputes. The PCA, the PCA provides a roster of arbitrators, hearing facilities, administrative support to ensure proceedings are conducted smoothly and professionally. This flexibility is a core part of its mission, as it allows parties to tailor the dispute resolution process to their specific needs. Provide Point number two: providing a neutral and expert forum. The PCA's objective is to offer a neutral ground where parties can resolve their differences without resorting to more confrontational means. Its roster of potential arbitrators includes legal experts from around the world, ensuring that tribunals are composed of highly qualified individuals who are impartial, well versed in international law. By providing its expert and neutral environment, the PCA encourages states and other international actors to rely on legal diplomatic methods instead of force, developing and promoting international law. Through the case its administrator and advisory roles it takes on, the PCA plays an important part in the development of international law. The decision and process facilitated by the PCA contribute to a growing body of precedent, which helps clearly legal norms and principles in areas such as the territorial boundaries, investment treaties, environmental law. This helps to promote the rule of globally. Conclusion: I am going to the last conclusion. In conclusion, the core objective of the Permanent Court of Arbitration PCA is to provide a versatile and robust administrative infrastructure for the peaceful resolution of international disputes. It is not a court in the traditional sense, but rather a facilitator of justice, offering a flexible and expert-driven alternative to litigation. By enabling a wide range of parties to settle their conflicts through arbitration and other peaceful means, the PCA remains a vital institution for fostering international cooperation and upholding the global legal order.